Hey everyone, it's your boy Sweeze here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's ripe for innovation. Get it? Ripe? Because we're talking about farming? Okay, dad jokes aside, we're going to explore how robots are revolutionizing the agricultural industry. Now you might be thinking, robots and farming? What's next, robot cowboys? Well, get ready to have your mind blown, because the future of farming is here, and it's packed with cutting-edge tech. We're talking autonomous tractors, drones that monitor crop health, even robots that can pick fruit. Imagine a world where farming is more efficient, more sustainable, and less reliant on manual labor. That's the promise of agricultural robotics. These incredible machines are already making a huge impact, helping farmers grow more food with fewer resources. So, buckle up, grab your pitchforks, and get ready to learn how robots are changing the game when it comes to putting food on our tables. Let's get into it. Alright, let's kick things off with the heavy hitters of agricultural robotics, autonomous tractors. These aren't your grandpa's tractors, folks. They're like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Picture this, a massive tractor rolling across a field, tilling the soil, planting seeds, all without a single human being behind the wheel. That's right, these bad boys are 100% driverless, thanks to the power of GPS sensors and some seriously impressive software. But how do they work? Well, it's all about precision. Farmers can program these tractors to follow a specific path through the field, ensuring that every inch of soil is cultivated or planted with pinpoint accuracy. They can even adjust their speed and depth on the fly, reacting to changes in terrain or soil conditions. And the best part? Autonomous tractors don't need coffee breaks, lunch breaks, or sleep. They can work around the clock 24/7, maximizing efficiency and productivity for farmers. Talk about a tireless workhorse. Alright, we've covered the ground pounders, now let's take to the skies and talk about drones in agriculture. These incredible flying machines are revolutionizing the way we approach farming, offering a perspective that was once the stuff of science fiction. These flying robots are changing the game when it comes to monitoring crop health, and they're about as cool as it gets. Imagine having a fleet of drones at your disposal, each one equipped with cutting-edge technology, ready to provide you with real-time data and insights. Imagine this. A swarm of drones, buzzing over a vast field, capturing high-resolution images and data from every corner. These drones can fly autonomously, following pre-programmed flight paths to ensure that no part of the field is left unmonitored. These drones are like the eyes in the sky for farmers, providing them with a comprehensive view of their crops that was once impossible to obtain. From this vantage point, farmers can see the big picture, identifying patterns and trends that would be invisible from the ground. But it's not just about pretty pictures. The real magic happens when these images are analyzed and interpreted. These drones are equipped with some seriously sophisticated sensors. We're talking about cameras that can capture images in multiple wavelengths, from visible light to infrared and even beyond. They can capture multispectral images which allow farmers to see beyond the visible light spectrum. This means they can detect subtle changes in plant health that would be impossible to spot with the naked eye. This means they can detect things like plant stress, nutrient deficiencies, and even early signs of disease, all before they're visible to the naked eye. And the best part? This early detection can make a huge difference in crop management. Drones can cover vast areas of land in a fraction of the time it would take a human observer. This efficiency means that farmers can monitor their crops more frequently, catching issues before they become serious problems. This allows farmers to react to problems quickly and efficiently, preventing small issues from becoming major headaches. With the data provided by drones, farmers can make informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. Talk about a bird's-eye view on a whole new level. The future of farming is here and it's taking flight. With drones, farmers have a powerful tool at their disposal, one that can help them grow healthier crops, increase yields, and ultimately feed the world more efficiently. And it's not just about the crops. Drones can also be used to monitor livestock, track weather patterns, and even assist in planting seeds. The possibilities are endless, and the technology is only getting better. Farmers can program their drones to follow specific flight paths, ensuring that every inch of their land is covered. The data collected can be analyzed using advanced software, providing insights that were once the domain of scientists and researchers. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative uses for drones in agriculture. From automated crop spraying to real-time weather monitoring, the sky's the limit. So next time you see a drone flying overhead, remember that it's not just a cool gadget. It's a powerful tool that's helping to shape the future of farming, one flight at a time. And who knows, maybe one day every farm will have its own fleet of drones working tirelessly to ensure that our food supply is secure and sustainable. The future is bright and it's taking to the skies. Alright, imagine this. You're a farmer, the sun is rising, and it's time to harvest. The air is crisp, the sky is painted with hues of orange and pink, and the dew on the leaves glistens like tiny diamonds. It's a scene straight out of a painting, and you can almost feel the promise of a bountiful day ahead. But instead of a crew of dozens, you've got a team of tireless robots ready to go. These aren't just any robots, they're the epitome of modern agricultural technology, designed to revolutionize the way we think about farming. We're talking specialized machines designed to pick fruits and vegetables with incredible care and speed. Imagine robotic arms moving with the precision of a skilled surgeon, each movement calculated to ensure the perfect harvest. No coffee breaks, no complaints, just pure harvesting efficiency. These robots work tirelessly, day and night, under the scorching sun or the gentle rain, ensuring that every single fruit and vegetable is picked at the right time. These aren't your grandma's rusty old farm tools either. We're talking about state-of-the-art machinery that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. Sleek, efficient, and incredibly advanced. These robots are equipped with cutting-edge tech like AI and machine learning. They can adapt to different crops, learn from their environment, and even improve their efficiency over time. They can actually see the crops, identify the ripe ones based on color, size, and even firmness. Imagine a robot that can tell the difference between a perfectly ripe tomato and one that needs a few more days to mature, and then gently pluck them without causing any damage. The precision is astounding, ensuring that each fruit is handled with the utmost care. It's like having 1,000 tiny, super efficient farmhands working around the clock. Each robot is a marvel of engineering, designed to work in harmony with others, creating a seamless and efficient harvesting process. Now I know what you're thinking. Mark, are robots going to steal my job? It's a valid concern, especially in an industry that has relied on human labor for centuries. But listen, this isn't about replacing humans. It's about augmenting human capabilities, making farming more efficient and less labor-intensive. It's about helping farmers work smarter, not harder. With robots taking care of the heavy lifting, farmers can focus on strategic tasks that require human intuition and expertise. Harvesting robots take on the repetitive, labor-intensive tasks, the ones that can be physically exhausting and time-consuming, freeing up farmers to focus on more important things like crop management, planning for the next season, and improving overall farm productivity, like crop management and, maybe even getting a good night's sleep. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your crops are being taken care of, even while you rest. Plus, let's be real, finding skilled labor, especially during harvest season, can be tough. The agricultural industry has been facing a labor shortage for years, and it's only getting worse. These robots offer a reliable solution, ensuring that the work gets done no matter what. They don't call in sick, they don't need breaks, and they can work in conditions that might be challenging for humans, ensuring crops are harvested at peak ripeness, which is crucial for maintaining the quality and flavor of the produce, which ultimately means higher yields and better quality produce for everyone. It's a win-win. Farmers get more out of their land, consumers get better produce, and the industry as a whole becomes more sustainable and efficient. The future of farming is here, and it's a beautiful blend of tradition and technology. By embracing these advancements, we're not just improving the way we farm, we're ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come. So next time you bite into a juicy apple or a crisp cucumber, remember the incredible journey it took to get to your plate. From the early morning sun to the tireless robots in the field, it's a story of innovation, hard work, and a touch of magic. And as the sun sets over the farmland, painting the sky with shades of gold and purple, you can rest easy knowing that the future of farming is in good hands. Here's to picking paradise, one robot at a time. Alright, so we've seen robots tackle harvesting, but what about the very beginning of the farming process, planting? This is where the magic truly begins. The foundation of a successful harvest starts with how and where each seed is placed in the soil. You bet there's a robot for that. These aren't just any robots, they are marvels of modern engineering designed to revolutionize agriculture. These machines are all about precision and efficiency, ensuring that every seed is planted at the exact right depth and spacing. Imagine the meticulousness of an automated cake decorator, but instead of icing, it's dealing with seeds. Just like those decorators, these robots are programmed to be incredibly accurate. They follow a predetermined plan, but they also have the ability to adapt to real-time conditions. They're equipped with these super cool sensors that analyze the soil, gathering data on moisture levels, temperature, and even the type of soil. This information is crucial for determining the best planting strategy. By figuring out the optimal depth and spacing for each tiny seed, these robots ensure that every seed has the best possible chance to grow into a healthy plant. It's like giving each seed its own personalized care plan. It's all about giving those little guys the best possible start in life, like a robot nanny making sure each seed gets tucked in just right. This level of care can make a huge difference in the overall yield and health of the crops. And the cool thing is, these robots can adjust on the fly. They are not just following a rigid plan, they are constantly analyzing and adapting to the conditions around them. If they hit a patch of soil that's a bit too dry or too compacted, they can tweak the planting depth or spacing to compensate. This adaptability is key to ensuring that every seed has the best chance to thrive. These robots are like little scientists, constantly gathering data and making adjustments. They can detect variations in soil moisture and adjust their planting strategy accordingly. They can even change the spacing between seeds if they detect that the soil conditions are not ideal. This level of precision and adaptability is something that human farmers simply cannot achieve on their own. It's like having a little robot farmer out there constantly making micro adjustments to ensure maximum yield. These robots are tireless workers, always striving for perfection. They are constantly making micro adjustments to ensure that each seed is planted in the best possible conditions. This attention to detail can lead to significant improvements in crop yields, and because these robots are so precise, they can actually reduce the number of seeds needed. This is not only cost-effective but also environmentally friendly. By planting fewer seeds with greater precision, farmers can reduce waste and make better use of their resources. This is a win for both the environment and the farmer's bottom line, which is awesome for sustainability. Reducing the number of seeds needed means less strain on natural resources and a smaller environmental footprint, and saves farmers money in the long run. It's a win-win. Not only do these robots help to increase crop yields, but they also make farming more sustainable and cost-effective. The future of farming is here, and it's robotic. Alright, so we've seen robots planting, weeding, and even harvesting, but their impact on modern agriculture goes way beyond just physical labor. These bots are also incredibly smart data collectors, gathering tons of valuable information that farmers can use to make smarter decisions. Think of it like this. Imagine your garden is hooked up to a supercomputer that's constantly monitoring everything from soil moisture to sunlight levels to even the slightest hint of disease in your plants. That's essentially what these robots are doing for farmers on a much larger scale. They're equipped with an arsenal of sensors that collect data on everything you can imagine: soil pH, nutrient levels, air temperature, humidity, you name it. It's like having a team of tiny scientists constantly taking the pulse of the field, and this data isn't just sitting around collecting dust. Well, there you have it, folks. From autonomous tractors to data-crunching robots, it's mind-blowing how technology is transforming the agricultural landscape. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but instead of robots taking over the world, they're helping us grow food more efficiently and sustainably. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the latest technological advancements. Stay tuned for more videos on how technology is shaping our world.